Now let's just say we both apply for the same credit card. You get approved for $500, I get approved for $500. Now let's talk about how you use this $500 credit card. You immediately spend $300, which leaves you with $200 left that you can spend. When your due date comes, you pay back $35. 5 of that is interest, which means now you have an available credit limit of $230. You stop spending on this credit card. At the end of month 2, you still have a $230 balance. You pay $35 on that $230 balance. 5 of that is interest. You now have $260 you can spend on that card. Once again, you spend no more money on this card. You follow the same vicious cycle for the next couple of months. This is what it looks like after 4 months of using this card. Now let's talk about how I use a credit card. Just like you, I have a $500 credit limit. I immediately spend $490 on this card, which leaves me with $10 of credit left. 5 days later, I pay all $490 back. Then I immediately use another $490 on bills, restaurant, fast food, gas, anything that I can think of. 5 days later, I pay all $490 back. This gives me my $500 credit limit back. I repeat the same process. And 3 days before the statement date, I make my final $490 payment, which puts me right back at $500. For 4 months, I repeat this process. The difference between me and you after 4 months is that you've spent a total of $300, paid $20 in interest to the credit card company, still owe $180, and currently have a utilization rate of 27%. Me, on the other hand, I've spent almost $6,000. I paid $0 in interest since I pay by the statement date, not the due date. I owe them no money, and I have a 0% utilization rate. At the end of the 4 months, we both apply for a credit limit increase. You get denied and are stuck with your $500 credit limit. I get approved and they bump me up to $2,000.